Somebody's been out here bushcrafting. Right in the middle of the city. What's up, everybody? What is happening? I'm out here in right next to AutoZone, doing a stealth camp again. Shoot, already getting sweaty. Went inside, made sure that it was cool to leave my car there overnight. Didn't tell them what I was doing, obviously. How's it going, guys? You guys about to close pretty soon here? No. Okay. My car's overheating. I work like just on the street. My uncle said he can tow me tomorrow. Is it? I left my car like in the very, very back. Is it okay to leave it there?
$50 a day.
Is it?
No, that's fine.
I don't want to just leave it there and like not say anything to you guys. I figured you wouldn't mind, but okay. Okay. You guys have like knee pads? But I came out here and picked out a spot, and I want to show you the spot and kind of go through the gear that I got here. Red Bull for the morning, cooler full of beer, bag full of a bunch of random odds and ends, headlamp, pillow, stuff like that. 2 sleeping bag liners. So this is my sleep system in the summertime when it's 70 degrees outside. Some Red Devil cayenne hot sauce, chili mac, chunky, that's what I'll be eating. Got the kettle here, Climate V sleeping bag, rain poncho because it is supposed to rain tonight. Chair, liner for the tent, poles, a little tiny grill because I'm thinking about digging a Dakota fire hole. We'll see if I do it or not. I've also got a little trowel in here, so we can get into all that later. Very next step is turning on the thermocell. While that warms up, let's go ahead and do a little bit of a nip off of the banana flask. Forgot to mention, I also brought a folding collapsible table. Let's get into these beers. Oh yeah. That is a very good place to start. Sweet baby Jesus chocolate peanut butter porter. Now typically I would never bring glass out camping, but I'm 30 feet from my car, 50 feet, I don't know, 50 yards. I can walk there in about 90 seconds. As I go through them, put them back into the cooler. So I know I get the beer out of here. Jeez, got an hour and 20 minutes until it gets dark. We gotta do something. I'm gonna get this beer down, and I'm gonna go on a tour of this area. I'll get back with you in just a bit. Okay, so to recap what we're doing here. Behind the tent, there's an office building. Behind the camera that way is the AutoZone. In this direction over here is a main road that runs through and out of town. Back in this direction is a small road that winds in and out of an office park. I bet I'm probably on about 1 acre or so of a wooded area. Very pretty densely wooded, so I don't think we're gonna have any problems, but we are gonna have a nice night. We're gonna do a little camping, because camping, especially stealth camping, is bananas. So right here is like a garage type of area. Right here is a office building. Right out there is the highway, main road, whatever you want to call it. Back over there is the tent. It's not super evident, but I don't really want to go back out this way to show you, because I am a little nervous that maybe there's security cameras or something out there, so, and I don't know for sure. However, what is really cool there's a dumpster right there. So if I need it, I can throw stuff away. Walking through a tiny patch of woods in the middle of the city. There's that building I showed you earlier. Man, it's so dense back in here. And this is the very, very back. I don't know if you can see, but that's the end of it right there. So we're at the very, very back now. Alright, it's just too dense to go much further, but it's just not much further that way is the rest of the road. I mean, you can hear how close they are. So unless I want to get the machete out and start causing a ruckus and just chopping and completely give myself away, then that's about as much as I can show you guys. So we're gonna head back to the campsite now. And we're back at the campsite. Hey everybody, I did want to make a special announcement. I recently hit 1,000 subscribers. As of the shooting of this video, I think I'm about to pass 1,500. That rain video, you guys really seem to love it. So thank you so much, everybody who subscribed to the channel. Thank you so much. It means a ton. Promise I'm going to do my best to keep bringing great content out for you. Hey, from the bottom of my heart, thank you so much. I'm so excited. Okay. We'll open this back up. Take the new beer out. Slip the garbage back in. Open the beer. Cap goes in the bag. Close our bag back up. Clip my keys to it. And we've got a raspberry ale. From Thirsty Dog Brewing Company. Getting dark. Lightning bugs are coming out. I'll have to try to check that out. Try to see if I can get some of that on camera for you guys. Maybe you can see them behind me. Good old Campbell's Chunky Soup Chili Mac. Easy to make, out in the woods. Oh, almost forgot. Trappy's Red Devil Cayenne Pepper Sauce. Let's try a little bit of that in there. Just a little bit of a kick. Let's add a little bit more of that. Now we're talking. Not a huge kick, a little bit of some spice there. I'll have to get tortilla chips to add on the next one. Alright, well I'm going to finish this up. I'll check back with you guys in just a little bit. Now for the spoon. It's good enough for tonight if I just make sure I lick it clean. And that can go back in the little pouch. But for the pot, I definitely want to rinse that out. So just to keep this, so I don't mind packing it out, just a little bit of rinsing it out. It's not perfect, but It's a lot better than it was. Now the can is really gross, so I really don't want to hike it out. Right over there is a dumpster, so I'm going to sneak over and try to throw this thing away. I'm going to be lickety-split about it too. Mission successful. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and enjoy this Columbus Brewing Company Summer Teeth German style lager. Very good. All right, it's getting to the point here where it's not going to be real stealthy, and I am in an area where I could definitely get caught. So I'm going to have to turn the light off here, and I'm going to settle in. I'm probably going to get in the tent here pretty soon because the thermocell died. I don't have bug spray, and I'm starting to get bit up by mosquitoes. So if I don't film anything else, I'll catch you in the morning. Okay, good morning everybody. Of course I should have gotten up before AutoZone opened and gotten out early, but it was raining and it was actually pretty just kind of peaceful laying in the tent listening to the rain, and I didn't want to get up and battle it, so it's 9 o'clock. God, it's so late. I can hear like a truck being loaded back that way where the garage was, but I think I also hear stuff going on back this way where AutoZone is. I'm not sure. I'm gonna get everything packed up and then we'll make a decision from there. And what Sam Bananas adventure would be complete without the breakfast of champions? A Red Bull with no food. Cheers. That's what I was sleeping on top of last night. There's the car. Woohoo! Hot dog, made it out of there alive. Goodness sakes. Okay, well, that's another one in the books. I didn't want to let this video end without giving a shout out to Outlaw Camper. This guy's been really supportive of the video. Found me from Kevin, Small Plots. Want to say, go check out Outlaw Camper. He's, you know, camping, kind of doing everything. What's up, Outlaw Camper? I see you, buddy. So if you made it this far and you liked what you saw, I would greatly appreciate it if you would hit that subscribe button, leave a like for the video, and give me any kind of comment. Tell me where you're from. Tell me what kind of tent you use. Have you ever gone stealth camping? Would you ever go stealth camping? Do you like bananas? I appreciate everybody stopping by, and I'll catch you on the next one.